So you are looking to make payments on your educational loans and you want to make a one-time payment or set up recurring payments through the VSAC website. Well, great news. There are no fees associated with making payments, and this online portal is convenient and easy to use. Throughout this presentation, I'll show you navigation tips for successfully making online payments through the secure VSAC website. Before starting, please have handy your Social Security number, your bank routing, and account number from a savings or checking account. Tip: payments cannot be made using a debit card number. You must use the checking or savings account information associated with your debit card to set up online payments. If you do not know the routing or account number associated with your card, contact your financial institution. Once you are at the VSAC homepage, click on the My VSAC or on the Make a Payment button that can be found at the upper right of the screen. Clicking either button will take you to the secure sign-on page. At the secure login page, you will see options to sign into your online profile. If you already have an account, click Login. If you do not have a My VSAC profile, you can create one by clicking on Register Now. Tip: creating a user profile is a simple process. All you need is your date of birth and Social Security number. If you find you need help during this registration process, click on the Help section found on the right side of this page. If you still need assistance after reviewing the Help page, please don't hesitate to call. After entering your password, you will arrive at the Welcome page. You will find your name at the top of the page, and to make payments, click on the Loan Info and Make a Payments button. You will then arrive at the landing page to make a payment. For those who have multiple loans, please select the tab at the top of the screen for the loan you want to pay. You may see loans in repayment, defaulted federal loans, defaulted private loans, or all three. Click on the loan type you want the payment applied to, then click Make a Payment and follow the prompts to our loan pay system. Remember, separate transactions are required for different loan types or loan status. Tip: if you are enrolled in and making payments to the Federal or Private Loan Rehabilitation Program, click on the Defaulted Federal or the Defaulted Private Loan tab, not the Loans in Repayment tab. To set up recurring payments, click Schedule Payments. This button can be found on the left side of the screen. Click and follow the prompts. There are a few things we'd like you to take note of. If you create a recurring payment series, you are responsible to change or end the recurring schedules when your loan is paid in full. Payments should be equal to or greater than the amount of the bill. And whether you are a co-borrower or a borrower, remember to direct your payment to the appropriate loan type or loan status. This concludes this presentation on how to create a My VSAC profile and make online payments. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and our website easy to navigate. As always, if you need assistance, please call. VSAC is here to help.